pwedeng gawin? Di ba November naman? What if spirit of the glass?
Sure ka ba dyan? Baka kung anong mangyari sa atin, ah.
Sus, hindi ako naniniwala dyan.
Tara na kasi, tayo lang naman eh.
Sige na nga, pero kapag walang nangyari, libre mo na lang kami.
Ayoko. Pero sure ako ang mangyayari.
Ano, go na?
Diba? Tara.
Go!
Ready na kayo?
Kinakabahan ako, te, kasi...
Tara na, wag na mag-inarte. Walang mangyayari, Tamis.
Bilis na! Naiihina ako!
May espiritu ba dito? Ano ba yan? Ba't niyong ginagalaw?
Marlene, walang gumalaw!
Kung ganun, saniban mo kami at makipag-usap.
Takot kayo, ano? Hoy! Ano nangyayari sa inyo? Akala ko joke-joke lang!
Hi everyone, it's your American girl, Julie Smith. Sawadee-ka!
Hi! Konnichiwa! Sino kayo? Ibalik niyo mga kaibigan ko!
Calm down! You're overreacting. We heard that you have a project on social networking about cultural diversity, so we're here to help.
Maraming salamat mga ate. Arigato. Kapun ka. Thank you.
So, let's begin. Diversity is the difference in norms, beliefs, values of different people around the world.
You need to respect and know them, so stereotypes and discrimination will be avoided.
For example, in my country, Thailand, all temples are prominent. It's known for rich cultural heritage and Buddhist tradition. For our traditional attire, we have the sabay-sabay, and fun fact, we have not been colonized.
In America, we value freedom and individualism. We are known for our films, vibrant music and arts. Iconic landmarks will also be seen in our country, such as the iconic Statue of Liberty and Empire State Building.
As Japanese, our culture often emphasizes respect. It is rooted in our religion, Shintoism. We believe that everything has life and it needs respect. We do different vows for different contexts. Ishaku, Keirei, and Saikei.
Our culture are just a particle what world has to offer.
How about you? We're curious about the culture of the Philippines.
Oh,
Here in the Philippines,
Philippines! The Philippines! Philippines!
Philippines! We eat with our hands. It is usually done during budol fights. Budol fight is a set of different food set in banana leaf and is eaten with a group of people. And yes, we value our community a lot. We also have pagmamano as a sign of respect and barong and Filipiniana as a national traditional attire.
This culture needs to be respected and being seen without personal biases. So while we have different diversity, we need to unity and peace. Now that you know, we can finally leave your friend's body, and thank you for letting us educate.